I've always been there for you. But every time I ask you for even the slightest thing,
here we go again.
You're so busy all of a sudden.
Dude, you're a liar. L-A-I-R. La.
That's not even how you spell it.
I can't even count the amount of times I've canceled my plans to help you. You help me. You're hilarious. Oh, I knew you wouldn't believe me. That's why I've been keeping track. Yeah.
Oh yeah? Prove it. Give me one example. You idiot. Wait, why are you smiling?
You might have erased my memory, but I've prepared this time.
Dramatic flashback.
I am tired.
Hello? You need me to take you to the mall? But I just got home. Fine. But you owe me one.
Stupid fucking shit. I don't even want to fucking drive. Let's go.
Why'd you just space out? Huh? It was a flashback. Anyways, I've got you all figured out. It's all right here.
Right where exactly?
It's right. Wait. No. 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 No.